Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can make your website fit on all screens on Wix, so let's get right into it. Firstly, what I want to recommend to you, once you're making your website, when you actually register and create a new site, you should click or confirm that you want your website to fit both desktop and mobile screens so that you have that work done for you and so that you don't have to do anything about it. Other than that, what you want to do is once you have your website and you have your elements, you want to click on each element. For example, this here horizontal menu, and you want to click the stretch icon. As you can see, you have one option, which is the stretch to full width, and as you can see, it's stretched to its maximum capacity. You want to do this with all elements that you have, and that is going to enable you to, well, pretty much fit everything perfectly on each screen. Everything is going to be perfectly stretched, like for example this one, it's stretched to full width already, and it's going to be perfectly stretched across all screens. It's going to take the margins, if you set them up. For example, if I go here into this element, click on the stretched, and as you can see, the margins are either 80 pixels or at max 5% of the site, and you can have those margins active, and it's going to make margins, as you can see, to the sides. For example, if I set margins to 0, it's going to stretch all the way, as you can see here, or you can set them up and it's going to look a bit nicer. But if you have it stretched to full width selected, it's always going to look good on every screen. It's going to stretch to the exact same margins, not well, the pixels notwithstanding. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.